Hey YouTube, finally got the car. Did the bumper fillers in the front. Got a hood mounted on it. Got the quick connect buttons for the hood latch because that hood tries to come up. But the car's running good. Had the exhaust ran. I've been driving it a little bit. I haven't cleaned it out a lot. But installed the boost gauge filler. Got the interior fairly decent. I put an old style speedo in it. Tach is mounted. Yeah, it's been driving good. That's the two-step button. That's the boost scramble button. ECM is in there. The compressor is mounted in the trunk. Car's been running great. So just wanted to give an update. It's running and driving. Everything works. Thank you.